Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, yes, I made it out. Yes, I'm so happy and the weather's beautiful. Look at check this out. So nice. Yes, I'm gonna go to the fitness studio. I made it. I'm so happy. Oh man, I got my closet up and man, those guys took forever. So of course, yesterday I did not make it. Yesterday was a total weight loss journey flop, but that's okay. That's okay. That happens, you know. Important is to keep going. So yes, I am ready and ready to roll. And so yes, I hope you guys are have done your sports and are quite active as I am. So yes, what is there new? What is there new? I gotta sometimes think about it. I'm always watching things. I'm always watching things. Whew. Okay, guys. So, anywho, it'll come to me later. However, stick around. Watch me as I sweat, sweat, sweat. I hope you guys are also sweating, 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 and doing your fitness as well and getting your things together. Anywho, see you in a bit. And yes, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and show your support and subscribe. I'm always uploading videos. I'm not going to say when. No, I'm not going to say when. But I am uploading videos. So, yes. Don't go nowhere. See you in a bit. Hey, I'm back. Yay. So I did my fitness. Yay. So now I'm going to make something very, very delicious. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm always so happy when yeah. You know, when you did that fitness, especially in the morning, you know, I got it behind me now, so now I can really start the day. So don't go nowhere. It continues. I'm going to show you all what I'm going to have or what I'm going to prepare.